Hi guys, I am Dr. Vinod Pankaj Misra and you are welcome in my YouTube channel Pankaj Institute of English. So dear friends, I am here with 400 MCQs of romantic period. Dear friends, I have completed from question 1 to 80 in part 1 to 4. This is part 5. दीज क्वेश्चंस आर वेरी यूजफुल। यदि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन यूजफुल लगें तो इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और यदि आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करिए ताकि इस प्रकार के वीडियो जब भी अपलोड हों तो उनका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके। शुरू करते हैं हमारा फर्स्ट सेंटेंस। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 81। हु इंट्रोड्यूस एज अ नरेटर a country person exploring the simple annal of his Paris living in his poem The Paris Register. Option A Saudi, option B Burns, option C Crabbe and option D Austen. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer of this question is Crabbe. Now question number 82. A presence that disturbs me with the joy of elevated thoughts, a sense sublime. These lines occurs in Ode to Duty or on the intimation of immortality. Option C Tintern Abbey and option D The Prelude. The correct answer is option B Ode on the intimation of immortality. Question number 3 है French Revolution is a poem composed by. French Revolution is a poem composed by option A Wordsworth, option B Shelley, option C Keats and option D Scott. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option A Wordsworth. Wordsworth is the correct answer. Now question number 4. Question number 84. The doctrine that identifies God with the universe is. The doctrine that identifies God with the universe is option A naturalism, option B pantheism, option C mysticism and option D none of the above. So option C mysticism is the correct answer. Now question number 85. Wordsworth was a real mystic of nature. Who said this? Wordsworth was a real mystic of nature. Who said this? Option A Garrick, option B Gerard, option C Kazemian and option D Ricketts. So option A Garrick is the correct answer. Now question number 86. Wordsworth revisited Tintern Abbey after. वर्ड्सवर्थ ने जो टिंटर एबी में फिर से कब विजिट की थी? ऑप्शन ए 2 ईयर्स, आफ्टर 2 ईयर्स, आफ्टर 3 ईयर्स, ऑप्शन सी आफ्टर 4 ईयर्स एंड ऑप्शन डी 5 ईयर्स. सो विच वन इज द करेक्ट आंसर? वर्ड्सवर्थ रिविजिटेड टिंटन एबी आफ्टर 5 ईयर्स. ऑप्शन डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. From whom did the romantic poet get the idea of return to nature? From whom did the romantic poet get the idea return to nature? Option A Gerard, option B Cobbett, option C Rousseau and option D De Quincey. So which one is the correct answer? Option C Rousseau is the correct answer. Question number 88. Emotions and imaginations are the elements of. Emotions and imaginations are the element of. Option A mysticism, option B romanticism, option C new classicism and option D modernism. So which one is the correct answer? Romanticism. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 89. Who taught the principle of general bills? Who taught the principle of general bills? किसने सिद्धांत दिया था? ऑप्शन ए रूशो, ऑप्शन बी गॉडविन, ऑप्शन सी वर्ड्सवर्थ एंड ऑप्शन डी शैली. सो ऑप्शन ए रूशो इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Question number 90. Let nature be your teacher. These words are from option A the thorn, option B the table's turn, option C prelude and option D daffodils. The correct answer is option B the tables turned. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है क्वेश्चन नंबर 91. इन वर्ड्सवर्थ वी फाइंड रोशो वेल नोन फंडामेंटल tenets who said this. Option A Godwin, option B Ligois, option C Ricket, option D Kazamian. So option B Ligois is the correct answer. Question number 92. Wordsworth must be placed by the historians among the numerous sons of Rousseau who formed the main battalion of Romanticism. Who said this? Option A Cobbett, option B Rousseau, option C Leogenius, and option D Kazamian. So option C Leogenius is the correct answer. Question number 93. The leech gatherer is a character in. The leech gatherer is a character in. Option A the thorns, option B resolution and independence, option C the excursion, and option D the prelude. The leech gatherer is a character in resolution and independence. Option B is the correct answer. Now question number 94. The fresh air lodged with his cheek as light within a cloud. These lines occur in option A the daffodils, option B the excursion, option C the prelude, and option D Lucy Gray. So option B the excursion is the correct answer. So dear friends, if you listen these questions carefully, then these will be in your memory for a long period. Question number 95. They parted never to meet again, but never either found another to free the hollow heart from panting. These lines are from option A Christabel, option B Rhyme of the Ancient Mariner, option C Kubla Khan, and option D On Dejection. So the correct answer of this question is option A Christabel. Christabel is the correct answer. Now question number 96. 96. I wandered lonely as a cloud that floats on high on vales and hills. I wandered lonely as a cloud that floats on high on vales and hills. These lines occurs in Lucy Gray, option B the solitary reaper, option C the cloud, and option D the daffodils. All works of are William Wordsworth. So which one is the correct answer? The daffodils. Daffodils के बारे में उन्होंने ऐसा कहा है. Question number 97. Wordsworth's theory of poetic diction was propounded in. Wordsworth's theory of poetic diction was propounded in. Option A Poetic Volumes, option B The Prelude, option C Preface to Lyrical Ballads, option D Biographia Literaria. Biographia Literaria. So option C Preface to Lyrical Ballads, option C is the correct answer. Question number 98. Ode on the Intimations of Immortality has. ऑप्शन ए Ode on Intimation of Immortality में कितनी लाइन्स हैं? ऑप्शन ए 96 लाइन्स, ऑप्शन बी 144 लाइन्स, ऑप्शन सी 186 लाइन्स, एंड ऑप्शन डी 200 लाइन्स. सो ऑप्शन डी 200 लाइन्स इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Now question number 99. The world is too much with us. The world is too much with us is option A epistle, option B sonnet, option C elegy, and option D ballad. So which one is the correct answer? The world is too much with us is a sonnet. Option B is the correct answer. Now question number 100. The inspiration to compose Ode to Duty came Wordsworth from. The inspiration to compose Ode to Duty. Ode to Duty लिखने को कंपोज करने में किससे प्रेरणा मिली वर्ड्सवर्थ जी को? ऑप्शन ए ब्राउनिंग, रवि बेन एजरा, ऑप्शन बी मिल्टन्स ऑन हिज ब्लाइंडनेस, ऑप्शन सी ग्रेज हाइमन्स ऑफ adversity, and option D, Shakespeare's Times and Love. So the correct answer of this question is option C, Grace Hyman to Adversity. क्वेश्चन नंबर 101, पिक द ऑड वन आउट। इनमें से जो अलग है वो उसको बताना है। ऑड ए, ऑड टू ऑटम, ऑड टू ड्यूटी, ऑड टू साइकी, ऑड टू नाइट एंगल। सो ऑल which one is different? Odd to duty. Odd to duty is the different. Question number 102, Biographia Literaria is a prose work, option B poetic work, option C fictional work, option C dramatical work. So which one is the correct answer? Biographia Literaria is a prose work. Option A is the correct answer. Now question number 103, Lectures on Shakespeare was published in 1849 by. Lectures on Shakespeare was published in 1849 by option A Rousseau, option B Locke, option C S.T. Coleridge, and option D Lord Byron. So S.T. Coleridge, option C is the correct answer. S.T. Coleridge. Lectures on Shakespeare was published in 1849 by S.T. Coleridge. Question number 104, Coleridge got his schooling at. कॉलेज की स्कूलिंग कहाँ पे हुई? ऑप्शन ए क्राइस्ट हॉस्पिटल, ऑप्शन बी क्राइस्ट चर्च, ऑप्शन सी क्राइस्ट पर्पल, एंड ऑप्शन डी क्राइस्ट कॉन्वेंट. ऑप्शन ए क्राइस्ट हॉस्पिटल इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Question number 105. In 1794, Coleridge met a youthful poet with he planned to establish Pentecostocracy on the bank the Susquehanna River in America. Who was poet? Option A William Wordsworth, option B Walter Scott, option C William Blake, and option D Robert Southey. So Robert Southey is the correct answer. Dear friends, this is the second last question of this video. Please like, share and subscribe. यदि आपको इस प्रकार के सेंटेंस पसंद आए तो इन्हें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, और यदि आप चैनल के लिए नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करिए ताकि इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन जब भी अपलोड हो तो आपके पास तक इनका नोटिफिकेशन पहुंच सके. इन एडिशन टू बीइंग ए पोएट, कॉलरेज वाज आल्सो ए. कॉलरेज जो थे पोएट के अलावा और क्या थे? ऑप्शन ए प्ले राइट, ऑप्शन बी क्रिटिक, ऑप्शन सी एसेइस्ट, एंड ऑप्शन डी नॉवेलिस्ट. सो ऑप्शन बी क्रिटिक इज द करेक्ट आंसर. And this is the last question. The first two cantos of Childe Harold's Pilgrims, which made Byron instantaneously famous, published in. These four options: 1808, 1809, 18011, and 18012. So option D 18012 is the correct answer. Thank you for watching this video.